Every single day, transport companies around the world are losing money in a place most people never think about, the washing area. Not fuel, not maintenance, not operation, but washing. And while many companies still believe manual cleaning is good enough, the reality is very different once fleets start growing. In Mondays, dozens of buses return to the depot after a long day, lined up waiting to be cleaned while workers rush to keep up. Operations slow down and schedules become tighter every hour. Some vehicles get cleaned properly, others are rushed because the next buses are already waiting behind them. Managers become stuck, dealing with labor problems, delays, inconsistent cleaning quality, and operational pressure every single day. And the worst part, most companies don't even realize how much efficiency they are losing until they see what a modern automated system can actually do. This is exactly why large transport companies around the world are now moving away from traditional manual washing and investing in automation instead. Because today, washing buses is no longer just about cleaning vehicles. This is about operational efficiency, fleet image, scalability, and long-term business performance. At Go&Go, we have seen how outdated washing operations quietly become one of the biggest bottlenecks inside growing transport business. The larger the fleet becomes, the harder manual systems are to control. More buses require more workers, more supervision, more time, and more operational coordination. But automation trains that completely instead of relying on large washing crews. Automated systems create a fast, repeatable process that allows buses to move through cleaning quickly and consistently. Large buses and coaches over 10 meters long can be cleaned in just minutes using intelligent truck systems designed for continuous operation. No unnecessary waiting, no inconsistent results, no operational chaos during peak hour. And in transportation, speed matters more than people realize. Every bus waiting in line is time lost. Every delay affects the entire workflow. Every operational bottleneck eventually impacts profitability. But efficiency is only one side of the story. Today, passengers notice more than ever before. A clean fleet creates trust immediately. It reflects professionalism, discipline, and a company that takes operations seriously. That's why modern transport businesses are no longer treating automated wash systems as optional equipment. They are becoming part of modern depot infrastructure itself. And globally, this is accelerating fast. More international fleet operators are now looking for smarter systems that reduce labor dependency, improve consistency, and make large-scale operations easier to manage long-term. At Go&Go, our automated bus wash system are designed specifically for transport companies operating buses, coaches, and commercial fleets that need stable, scalable, and efficient operation every single day. Built for outdoor environment, engineered for continuous use, and designed to reduce manpower dramatically. Our system helps business modernize the way they operate while preparing for future growth. Because the company adapting early today are usually the companies leading the industry tomorrow. If your company is planning to modernize fleet operation, reduce labor pressure, and improve depot efficiency, now is the time to explore automation. Contact Go&Go today or comment automation below to discover how modern transport companies are transforming their operation with automated wash systems built for the future.